Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn worksheet number 2, convert into kilograms and grams from class 4, chapter 6. Convert into kilograms and grams. A1, 2000 grams. This 2000 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. Let us see the relationship. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 2000 grams is equal to how much? 2000 divided by 1000. We have to divide 2000 by 1000. In 1000 table, 2000 when it will get, tell me children? 1000 twos are 2000. 1000 twos are 2000. Then should do subtract it. 2000 minus 2000 how much children? 0. Whatever the coefficient comes now, that coefficient will write it as kilogram. Remainder will write it as grams. Therefore, 2000 grams is equal to 2 kg. B1. Convert 8000 grams into kilograms and grams. What is our question, children? Convert 8000 grams into kilograms and grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 8000 grams is equal to how much? 8000 grams is equal to how much? What should do? 8000 divided by 1000. 8000 divided by 1000. Here do the division. 8000 divided by 1000. In 1000 table, when will get 8000? Tell me children. 1000 is 8000. 1000 is 8000. Next we have to do subtract it. 8000 minus 8000 how much children? 0. Therefore 8000 grams is equal to, what is the coefficient? 8. 8 is kilogram. Remainder is 0, no? 0 grams means is nothing. So we'll get the answer 8 kilogram. Therefore 8000 grams is equal to 8 kilogram. See sum. 5620 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. 5620 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 5620 grams is equal to how much? 5620 divided by 1000 we have to do. 5620 divided by 1000. Do the division here. 5620 divided by 1000. 1000 5s are how much children? 5000. 1000 6 are 6000. Compared to 5620, 6000 is more. So we consider 1000 5s are 5000. 1000 5s are 5000. Next do subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore, 5620 grams is equal to, coefficient will write it as kilogram and remainder will write it as grams, no children? So what is the answer? 5 kilogram 620 grams. Therefore, 5620 grams is equal to, what is the answer? 5 kilogram 620 grams. D sum. 6005 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. 6005 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 6005 grams is equal to how much? What should do? We have to divide 6005 with 1000. 6005 divided by 1000. Next do the division. 6005 divided with 1000. 1000 sevens are how much children? 7000. Compared to 6005, 7000 is more, so we have to take 6 times. 1006 are 6000. 1006 are 6000. Next to do subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 is how much? 0. Therefore, 6005 grams is equal to, coefficient is how much children? 6. Coefficient will write it as kg. So 6 kilogram and 5 grams. Remainder will write it as grams. 6 kilogram, 5 grams. E sum. 9206 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. 9206 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. Let us see the relationship between grams and kilograms. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 9206 grams is equal to how much? So what should do? 9206 divided by 1000. 9206 divided by 1000. Here do the division. 9206 divided by 1000. 1000 tens is how much, children? 10,000. Compared to 9,000, 10,000 is more, no children? So we'll go for 9 times. 1000 nines are 9,000. 1000 nines are 9,000. Next do the subtraction. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 9 is how much, children? 0. Whatever the coefficient comes now, that coefficient will write it as kilogram. Remainder will write it as grams. Therefore, 9206 grams is equal to 9 kg 206 grams. Based on the worksheet 2, convert the following into kilograms and grams. Today, in the video, I explained A, B, C, D and E. What I explained in the video, children? A, B, C, D, E. We have to do the assignment work F, G and H. What is the F1? 11,035 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. G1 is 10,001 gram. We have to convert into kilogram and gram. Next, H1 is 72,565 grams. We have to convert into kilograms and grams. So what are the assignment work I gave you, children? Only have to do F, G and H sums. Do neatly in your notebook, children. Thank you.